Hi, this is Amy and welcome back to our channel. On our Utopia of the Seas cruise, we were so excited to stop at Coco Cay for the first time. We had gotten tickets to the Thrill Waterpark and wanted to try the famous 135 feet high water slide. But the weather had other plans. There was a big thunderstorm coming and the personnel had to close the water park for half the day. So we made the most of our time on the island by relaxing at Chill Island Beach, enjoying lunch and swimming at Oasis Lagoon. So do you think we finally got to experience Daredevil's Peak, the second tallest water slide in North America? Well, come along as we share how we made this unpredictable day unforgettable. Slide down face first.
She's video. Y'all can do whatever y'all want.
And I'm going to take a picture too while you're in there. 1, 2, 3, 4.
The best way to show you're enjoying this video is by clicking like and subscribe. You can also leave a comment.
Tell me down. Bye. Well, this water is disgusting. Because there's so many people in here. And there's no like circulation of the water. So yeah. I wish we had gone further.
We rate this beach 6 out of 10. It's a 6 for me because even though it's not clear, it's still a beach. I dropped it. Oh no!
In a pool. Supposedly the largest freshwater pool in North America.
And it's in North America. Go straight down.
I know.
Oh. 60 minutes?
Yeah, that's what it is. Maybe we're gonna sit for a while.
I don't know if it's gonna be worth it.
I don't know, but I want to do it. It's gonna be. Made it all the way up. Go, go, go. Green.
Go, 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 go. I'm scared. I'm gonna scream. Okay, but watch me.
Scream, at least you're still alive.
I'm gonna do no reaction. Stop ooh-ah-ing me.
Oh my god. Okay, I did not. Bye guys. Thank you. That's Skyla. That's Alina. Wow! Did it. We did it. I'm so proud of us.